So here's the kidney I have for this dissection. It hasn't been cut yet. So here, this little area where all these things are connecting is the hilus. Then this here, branching off, is the ureter, which takes the urine into the bladder. And then this would be the renal artery and renal vein. The artery is going to bring in oxygenated blood, and the renal vein is going to carry deoxygenated blood out. Okay, so here is my kidney. This outer layer that covers the kidney is the capsule. And then we move into the outermost layer, which is the cortex. In the cortex is the lobe, which serves as like the base of the pyramid. And then we also have the glomerulus, which are in the corpuscle, and those serve as a filter. And then moving into the medulla here, we have the pyramids, which run like this, with the apex down here, base up here. And in the medulla are also the calyxes, which are these little cups. Okay, and then we move into the pelvis, but there's also the papilla within the pyramids as well. Forgot to mention that. And here in the renal pelvis, everything drains into the ureter. It receives the urine and then outputs it into the ureter, which then travels to the bladder.